McCann Campground, Greenport, New York. What a beautiful place. It's May 2018, and this is something I got for Christmas. It's a drone, sharper image, DX-5. I'm going to attempt to fly this, see what kind of footage I get. I'm not too hopeful. A little bit of a shaky start. I probably should have hovered it and tried to trim it, but I didn't. I just went straight up, and the wind caught it as soon as it got up about 30 feet. Blew it right behind me. Another problem I had was I seemed to be losing contact with it, and it would come straight down. Once I had it down, I was like, it was like the stick was just dead. It wasn't making any contact at all. But when I walked towards it, and it would make contact again, and I don't know, it kept asking me to be on the same Wi-Fi network. There's no Wi-Fi network. I'm camping. So, yeah, I crashed it a few times. It seems like very little wind, and it goes down. It's very lightweight. It weighs nothing. I mean, it's just like, it's smaller than the palm of your hand. But after playing around with it a bit, I got it to cooperate, and I think it's just a matter of getting used to the controls, which are. It's not like your DJI with its GPS and all that. It's not very forgiving, this thing. You really, really got to pay attention to what you're doing. But not too bad. I got some height out of it a couple times. Anyway, just watch. You'll see. Just watch. At this point, I was getting pretty frustrated with it. It seems like if I got too far away for it, or I went too high, I would just lose control and it would just come down. I was able to catch it a few times before it actually hit the ground, but most of the time it would just dead stick and it would just crash. But I'll keep playing with it, and what do you want for $179? Sharper image. It's still fun to fly. It's still cool.